Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how to change paddle shifters on a Lexus RCF. The RCF is a really nice car. The stock steering wheel that it came with wasn't my favorite, so I replaced it with this red perforated leather carbon fiber mixture steering wheel. Provided by Mr. Elvin Wong, who I will put in the description. But today we are changing these little paddle shifters right here. Not the biggest fan of this little silver plastic thing that they have on here, so we are going to be replacing with some carbon fiber. The paddles unboxed. That took me a lot longer to unbox than I thought it would, but that's a good thing because he packaged it really well. Let me show you guys how it looks in the sun. Super high quality carbon fiber. I opted to get the plus and minus signs in red instead of the blue that they come with. So let's install them. God, just look at that. Matches pretty nicely with the front lip I had installed not too long ago. Okay, so first of all, I think that these paddle shifters right here are the same on the Lexus RCF, obviously, and the 3IS. So I think that's the Lexus IS model from 2014 and up, I want to say. I don't know. You can look that up. But it's pretty simple, honestly. There are 2 screws in the back of each paddle shifter. You can see them right there. And then there's a little plug that goes for both sides. You can see the little screws and the little plug that goes in the back. So all you need is a screwdriver. And that's about it. So to install the paddle shifters, you're gonna have to turn the wheel like this on both sides, just so you can have access to the screws behind the paddle shifter. So I'm gonna leave it like that and then set you guys up on the other side. All right, so Phillips head screwdriver, preferably one that's not too big, or else you're gonna have a hard time fitting it in between the gauge cluster and the paddle shifter. So set you down right there. 2 screws, 1, 2. I'm actually gonna get out of the car so I have a better angle. Okay, so once you got both screws taken out of the paddle shifter, it should just come free like that. There is a little yellow clip, and you'll see there's a little tab to pull it free on this side. Or is it on this side? It's one of these sides. That's it. This one comes out. This one goes in. So here's one of the OEM paddle shifters taken out next to the extended carbon fiber one going in. You can kind of see the size difference. The carbon fiber one doesn't have kind of the sharp angles the OEM one does, but that's fine because it's carbon fiber. So that's one out. I'm going to install this one and then show you guys how it looks. So after a lot of swearing and trial and error, I have one on. So right there you can kind of see that this one is much bigger than this one. Only thing that I don't like, I guess, so far is that, here, listen to this one. Can't really hear anything. And then this one. The OEM one does have a very nice clip to it, which I like, but I will give that up for this carbon fiber. Okay, so got both the plus and minus paddle shifters taken out. New ones put in. Looks pretty good. You can see the red on the paddle shifter, red on the steering wheel, red on the button, red on the seats. Now all match. Awesome. And that's how easy it is to change the paddle shifters on your Lexus RCF.